When installing cladding or sidings, usually board ends are fixed to the vertical battens and the boards have to be cut to length to fit. This creates a lot of waste. The butt joints between the boards are also free to move, and this results in gaps and joint shadows which can ruin the overall look. Joining the boards together before fitting would prevent any movement of the boards, remove any joint shadows and future-proof the installation for your customers with less chance of storm damage. But how do you get a stable, reliable and repeatable join? Sitebuddyz in the UK has the answer with an ingenious new tool called Flush-Joints. Using the Flush-Joints tool, you can butt join the boards so that the factory finished painted ends of the fibre cement boards are fixed together securely and accurately and with no joint shadows. Effectively, it creates an endless board as two boards become one. And because the board can now be fixed to battens at any point along its length, less cutting of the boards is needed, saving around 15% in wastage. So how does it work? The main component of the Flush-Joints kit is a specially designed drilling jig which fits over the end of the board and locates your drill to place holes precisely on the centre line with an adjustable stopper on the drill to control the hole depth. 2 holes are drilled, one near the top edge, another near the bottom edge of both boards. The jig ensures the holes are placed accurately every time, using the outer edge of the jig as a guide. 3mm stainless steel dowels supplied in the kit are inserted in 2 holes of one of the boards. These dowels then mate with the 2 holes in the other board and create a single board with a shadowless butt joint that won't move. If traditional installation is preferred, then fitting a single Flush-Joints dowel near the lower edge of the board will prevent movement and help maintain a smooth, shadowless joint. The Flush-Joint system can also be used with timber boards to insert 6mm stainless steel dowels to prevent movement due to warping and natural climatic changes in the wood, where nails can work their way out, ruining the finish and making the installation very prone to storm damage. The Flush-Joints jig adapts to any thickness of board from 8mm to 40mm, and 3mm and 6mm drill guides and dowels are included in the Flush-Joints toolkit. And here are the main benefits of using Flush-Joints on your cladding or sidings job. Fewer boards need cutting to length, which can save up to 15% in wastage. Helps the planet and your bottom line. An improved overall finish with perfect butt joints and no joint shadows. A more stable and reliable installation, especially with timber cladding, which is less susceptible to storm damage. So if you work with cladding or sidings, get yourself a Flush-Joints kit and give your installations a perfect, future-proofed finish.